ELGi's oil-free air compressors have helped thousands of customers worldwide to meet air quality requirements, especially in critical industrial applications with absolute intolerance to the presence of oil during the manufacturing process. Right from the sustainable production of premium organic wine in France, manufacturing superior quality of rice bran oil in Thailand, paper manufacturing in Indonesia, chocolate manufacturing in Italy, food processing in the USA, pharmaceutical manufacturing in Europe and Singapore, semiconductor manufacturing in Malaysia, power generation in the Philippines, or medicine and vaccine manufacturing in India. ELGi's oil-free air compressors have been reliably delivering contamination-free, environmental-friendly Class 0 oil-free air in line with ISO 8573 Section 1 standards. ELGi's manufacturing facility for oil-free compressors are also ISO 22000 certified for compliance with food safety management systems. Customers worldwide have experienced the benefits of the low total cost of ownership, high reliability, consistent air quality, efficient airflow, reduced risk of contamination of downstream parts and application, best-in-class service support, unmatched warranty, and quicker return on investment. With adherence to superior safety norms, the OF series compressors not only have low energy losses and low air outlet temperatures, but are highly reliable and compact. All these advanced features are thus integrated into one simple design that drives reliability and performance. The ELGi OF Series oil-free screw air compressor for critical industries. ELGi is one among very few air compressor companies in the world to design and manufacture oil-free air ends. With high reliability and performance, the ELGi OF series of oil-free screw compressors has multiple benefits for the customer. The ELGi's OF series compressors come with unique E-to-V rotors that are designed to run at low speeds, reduce pressure losses, and increase stage efficiencies, leading to an optimized compressed air system. The slow speed of air ends leads to lesser wear and tear, lesser vibration, and enhanced life of the compressor. The timing gears are adequately placed to ensure the rotors are not in contact for effective functioning and consistent air end performance across the product lifecycle. The ELGi's unique two-layer coating process provides a smooth and uniform surface. This also ensures porosity-free uniform coating on the rotors. The carbon-impregnated robust stainless steel air seals prevent air leakage from the compression chamber by radial and axial sealing. The air-cooled compressors comes with aluminum bar and plate-type heat exchanger. The water-cooled compressor comes with water-in-tube features with an extended cooler tube surface and systems that ensure low fouling and lower pressure drop across the cooler. The lower cooling water in-out temperature differential and better fouling factor ensure lower thermal stress to the system. The metal surfaces of the compressor are treated with a food-grade coating to ensure clean, oil-free air without any metal particles. The internal air tubing system, made of stainless steel, reduces corrosion, air contamination, and maintenance cost. The low-maintenance capacity control system ensures saving energy and minimal pressure drop. Lubrication through an independently running oil pump ensures 100% lubrication to all components. The optimized component layout of the OF series compressor provides easy serviceability with reduced service time. The ELGi's OF series oil-free compressors come with the best-in-class warranty program. They are available in air-cooled and water-cooled variants with fixed speed and variable speed options, operating in the range of 1.5 to 10 bar. The ELGi OF series compressors are an ideal solution for critical industries that need clean Class 0 oil-free air with a low total cost of ownership, easy maintenance, and unrivaled customer service. The ELGi OF series, oil-free screw air compressor for critical industries,